Thank you for choosing our Patio Heat channel. I'm Steve. We provide tips and information to extend the enjoyment of your patio project. Our videos give you a knowledgeable overview prior to investing in your outdoor heating equipment. Whether you are a professional or owner-builder, we provide specific details for optimum heat coverage for your application. Post a comment or question, or for developed visual designs, send your request into designs@patioheat.com. We're here to work with you. For over 30 years, patio heating is the bedrock of our business, expressing what works best. Now let's get heating. All right, so this is going to be a residential application, and this is just a brief small drawing here. And let's go right into the overall dimensions. So overall dimensions I have here at 25 feet from the outside edge to the outside edge over here. And then I have 17'4" here. I have a height of the rafter here at 7'8" off the finished floor here. And then this beam over here, you can see I have it about 7'2". I'm not quite sure about that dimension there. And then I have these at center to center, the rafters themselves at 4'11". I think I have these at 2 inches wide, so it could be off a little bit as far as the dimensions concerned. This portion here, I didn't get the true measurement here, but anyways, I have it at 13'4" and 3/4, and I think that's pretty much about it. I put this about 8 feet tall off the bottom edge of the rafter here to the bottom edge of the ceiling point here, and I think that's about it. So let's go ahead and look at what I might recommend for heating up this entire patio here. There is sliding doors, and there will be, I understand, a fan. Now I'm not sure where that fan's going to be. I'm just going to assume at this point that it's going to be between these two rafters, but I'm not 100% certain of that, and I don't know the diameter of that fan as well. So let's go ahead and look at what we could do. What I would probably do in an application like this with this height here is put 4,000 watt units in here. I have 4 of them. These are SlimLine units, SL4024s, and you can see what I've done here is made it so that the heater itself has the clearance above the unit at 6 inches here, from this edge here to this edge here. And also I have it at the same elevation as the bottom of the rafter itself. If it's not at the same elevation, then you have to move it an additional, well, a total of 18 inches over, and I don't know that there would be an easy way to mount something like that. The OEM brackets I have at 90 degrees here. Now you can see that they're not attached, and the reason I'm showing that is because the I think here, yeah, the manufacturer does make an extended bracket, and you'd have to modify it because there is a stopping point for 45 degrees that's mounted on the edge over here. So you'd have to cut that and get the extended bracket. You can see that the distance I need is 4 1/4 inch, so I would go with the 6-inch extended bracket. So it's going to actually push it another 1 3/4 away. So if I was to change that here just to get you an idea of what that would look like here, I'm going to go ahead and just move this so that it's 1 3/4 further away. So that would be the true placement of the unit if you use the extended brackets from the manufacturer. I'm going to go ahead and move this as well. Go 1 inch. There we go. All right, so you can see that we're still meeting that clearance, or actually increasing that clearance area, and so that should be fine. What I have as far as the placement is concerned, I have these at 8 foot center to center, so from center of the heater to the center of the other heater, 8 foot, and that is centered within the span here, so that would be 4 foot center to the heater to the center of the rafter here. And just to see the clearance below, 36 inches of clearance below the heater, and that's why I have it at the same elevation as the bottom of the rafter itself. And let's go ahead and look at the footprint of heat. So the footprint of heat, and this is infrared light waves. So infrared light waves are not visible to the human eye. However, if you're not in the ray, you're not going to feel the ray. So I do have a nice overlapping ray here, so that the overall area here is going to be nicely heated, and you can see that the coverage is going to be very good throughout this whole entire span, with the exception of approximately 1.5 to 2 feet here, as well as over here. And then obviously out here there's not going to be any heat for this particular spot right there, but this is going to be the recommendation that I have. Again, you'll need to purchase the extended bracket in order to achieve this, and you're going to need to customize that extended bracket in order to make that 90-degree angle so that the heaters are pointed straight down to the floor. I would not go with a 45-degree angle because of the fact that it's just not going to heat up the inner area here. And you can see I have it on the inside of this rafter here, and on the outside of this rafter over here. So let us know if this helps, and appreciate the request. And if you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating application, send your request into designs@patioheat.com. I'm Steve. Thank you very much, and please tap that like button if you find this video useful. We don't advertise, not monetize. YouTube does not promote our channel unless we receive our thumbs up from our viewers, and we truly appreciate you doing that. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day.